Local news for Wednesday, the 20th of May. Entries are now open for the 2020 Young Viticulturalist and Young Winemaker of the Year competitions. The regional competition for Young Viticulturalist section will take place in Wairarapa on Thursday, the 20th of August at Craigie Range, Tamuna. New Zealand Co-working Industry Association Co-working Aotearoa has welcomed the return of co-working in Level 2, saying it will help boost business and support local economies. Co-working Aotearoa Association spokesperson and owner of 3 Mile Co-working in Carterton, Murray Claire Andrews, says it's incredibly positive to see our co-working spaces reopen again, many of which have been paying commercial rents while having no income. As attention moves to what a New Zealand holiday might look like in the future, the Tora Coastal Walk have opened their registrations for their 1st of October 2021 to 30th April 2022 walking season. And a bit of seismic activity in the Wairarapa yesterday with a 3.6 earthquake striking at Castle Point at 6:22am at a depth of 33 kilometres, while Masterton had a 1.8 19 minutes to 1 yesterday morning and a small 2 at 5:07am. Kia ora. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.